Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Monday.com form responses. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage and automate their workflows. One of its key features is the ability to create custom forms to collect data from users. In this guide, we will walk you through the best practices for creating and managing form responses on Monday.com. First, let's start with the basics. To create a form on Monday.com, you need to go to the Forms section and click on the New Form button. From there, you can add different types of questions, such as text, multiple choice, and rating scales. You can also add conditional logic to your form, which allows you to show or hide questions based on the user's responses. Once you have created your form, you can share it with users via a link or embed it on your website. When users submit their responses, they will be stored in your Monday.com account, where you can view and analyze them. To view form responses, go to the Forms section and click on the Responses tab. From there, you can filter and sort responses, as well as export them to a CSV file for further analysis. One of the most powerful features of Monday.com forms is the ability to automate workflows based on form responses. For example, you can create a workflow that sends a notification to a team member when a user submits a form response. You can also use form responses to create new items in a board or update existing items. To get the most out of your form responses, it's essential to use best practices when creating and managing your forms. One key best practice is to keep your forms concise and to the point. This will help increase the response rate and reduce the number of incomplete submissions. Another best practice is to use clear and concise language in your questions, avoiding ambiguity and confusion. In addition, you should use validation rules to ensure that users enter valid data. For example, you can use email validation to ensure that users enter a valid email address. You can also use conditional logic to show or hide questions based on the user's responses, which can help reduce the complexity of your form and improve the user experience. Finally, it's essential to analyze and act on your form responses. This can help you identify trends and patterns, as well as areas for improvement. By using Monday.com forms and following these best practices, you can create powerful workflows that automate and streamline your business processes and get more value out of your form responses.